to the media, and media is well within right to protect their sources, right? So we have gone purely by whatever is in the public domain, and this is exactly what is in public domain. And the bigger question is that for so many years you have looted the poorest of the poor of people of Bengal, and that is where Bengal is ready for a huge change. You will be surprised on the 2nd of May when the results come.
But towards the end of the clip, the name of a BJP leader also crops up. I think Bagaria says that the syndicate Raj in Rajarhat is pretty prevalent even now, and Sabyasachi Datta's name comes up as well.
One thing is very clear. As far as the agencies are concerned, they are totally independent. I don't think so that they will get influenced by anything. They will do their work, and nobody is out here to influence anybody. And that is the reason the space is slow, but it is in that direction where people know. Like I said, we have been in that party. Why were we suffocated? Shubhendu, everybody, we were suffocated. Not that we did not raise these issues, but people were scared, let me tell you. Everybody today also, police people are scared.
So scared of whom?
If you go to the local Thana, they are scared of the mafia.
No, but when you say,
They are
that you are scared,
they are scared of the mafias. They are scared of the underworld, which is being protected by the government of the day in Bengal. The mafias are being protected. That's a fact of life. And when I tell you, I'm not trying to score a political point. I have been in politics for a long time, and it hurts me. It really hurts me. Otherwise, why should I have resigned in the Rajya Sabha? Why? What for? I did not want to be a partner in this crime. And if I would have kept quiet, I did not have the proof because I am not the agency. But it was a perception, and now that perception is reality. So I am sure the agencies are looking at it, and they will not be under anybody's pressure, one way or the other. They will do their professional job, and all these agencies are very professional. I will only request the police and the bureaucracy who are aware of what is happening. They are duty bound to come and be a witness and tell whatever they know. If they don't tell now, then obviously the fingers will be pointed towards them. If they don't know, they don't know. But if they know, like a good citizen, it is their duty to come up voluntarily, whether it's a bureaucrat or a police. And I am aware, police people, when you talk one-to-one, they tell a lot of things. They must go and talk to the agency if they know. If they don't know, there is nothing can be done.
So let's do one on one.
আচ্ছা বলছি একটা প্রশ্ন একটু বলুন এক মিনিট একটু
You spoke about serious allegations on CM Mamata Banerjee and her nephew. You also spoke about how bureaucracy is also involved in it. Do you see some reactions coming in from the government? Do you expect that they'll take action on that now that the central agencies have actually produced some evidence against us?
That would be expecting too much from which government you are talking about. You're talking about central government?
I'm talking about the state government.
That's expecting too much. If the state government, the buck really stops there. Even on the issue of morality, now we are at the end of the inning of this government, and I have no doubt about it. The people of West Bengal are going to throw away this government, which is totally corrupt. I don't expect any reaction on morality. If there was morality, then they would have ensured all those guys who are known as absconders, they would have ensured to catch them. But the fact is, there is no morality. If there was morality, we would not have resigned. We still would have been in Trinamool Congress because we started with a big ideal. That's all gone. So to answer your question, I don't expect any morality from this government in West Bengal.
So there are also allegations that also you are pressurizing bureaucracy as well as using central agency to sway polls and results in your favor. How do you see this, sir?
Our central agencies have always been very professional. professional. Every time there was an election or every time there was corruption, what we used to do in Trinamool Congress, we used to say, give it to CBI. Whatever happened in Singur, Taposhi Malik, give it to CBI. You mean to say CBI that time was good, now it is bad? CBI has remained professional. ED is professional. And please understand, those who are witness, they call and there is nothing wrong in it. There is something called accused and a witness. So if you are called as a witness, you should go. Why should people run away? The very fact is, this Trinamool Congress person who is close to the powers in West Bengal, why is he absconding? Why? And why they are keeping quiet? The buck stops at the Chief Minister's office. It is too late. We are at the end of the reading and I have no doubt about it. Now the ball is in the people's court and people are very, very honest. They may be poor and they know what is good for
Yes,
them.
sir, you spoke about one agency. Managing their propaganda and their campaigning.
See, I'll tell you है कि नहीं. और दूसरी बात, जब हर्षद मेहता के शेयर चोरी के थे, कुछ शेयर यदि आपने लीगली भी खरीदे होते थे उसको टेंटेड कहा जाता था. तो जो चोरी का पैसा यदि किसी को भी मिलता है वो चोरी का पैसा होता है. तो ऑब्वियसली मगर द बक विल स्टॉप एट द चीफ मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस, नोवेयर एल्स. एंड दोज इवन दोज ब्यूरोक्रेट्स, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट दैट एज अ गुड सिटीजन, whatever you know, you must comply and tell the agency whatever you know. If you don't know, it's a different story. But I refuse to believe that people who are very close, whether it is police or it is bureaucracy, they know a lot. But at the same time, I'll tell you, majority of bureaucracy and police are very, very professional and honest. It is just a handful of them who are close. They have become more loyal than the political worker and they have become more politically oriented towards the TMC than being a bureaucrat or an IPS.
So TMC is
But I must tell you, the number of them is less. Majority of them are good.
So TMC is approached election commission. So TMC has approached election commission saying that Didi Devi is a cat call and it is disrespectful. Then TMC is Didi Devi, it is very disrespectful.
I could hear that.
TMC has approached election commission saying Didi comment made by PM in rallies is very disrespectful of CM.
Let the election commission decide. Now,
এই দুর্নীতির
লোকেরাই ঠিক করবে না রেজিগনেশন, এবার লোকেদের হাতে আছে. এবারে তো স্যার লোকেরা, আর আমি কোনো মরালিটি এখানটা এক্সপেক্ট করছি না. যদি মরালিটি হতো তাহলে আমি পার্টি ছাড়তাম না.
আপনি যখন করছেন তো তাহলে যখন আপনি ছিলেন তখন
আমি তো বললাম